In this video, I will show you how to reduce image size on macOS. We are not going to use any third-party app to reduce the image size on macOS. So let's get started. So let's say we have one file naturebeauty.jpg on the desktop. Now if I check the size of this image, as you can see it is approximately 4 MB. And if you want to send this image through email or WhatsApp, then sometimes you might feel any difficulty in sending the file. So now we are going to reduce the size of this image. To do that, just right click on the image and then go to quick actions. From the options, click on convert image. Now in the convert image pop-up, select the format as JPEG. You can even use as PNG or HEIF. I will keep it as JPEG. Now in the image size, you can choose actual size, large, medium or small. Let's keep it to large. And then click on convert to JPEG. Within seconds, a new file will be created. And now if we check the information about this file, as you can see, the file size is now 479 KB. So that is how you can reduce image size on macOS without use of any third-party app. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.